Now that we've made the ditch run down the property line, we have to repair the terrain on the original ditch, which is way too close to this house. And by the way, this house here, this pad can be moved over and be more perpendicular to the property line. That can be done later. It's a cosmetic thing. Now, how do we fix this DTM, this digital terrain model? Well, one way is, let's consider this grassy portion that is like an island remnant of the original ground prior to cutting the ditch. A base for repair. What we'll do is we'll select a tin edge, do the polyline, and it automatically snaps right to that end of the terrain there. See it? So what we'll do is we'll go and connect over to this end and come down down that line right to there, back over to here, come down the edge of that undisturbed portion to the property line, and then back to where we connect here on the undisturbed portion, and then C to close. Now, we will make that polyline 3D. Now it rides along that surface, and then simply right-click, and we have all these options to do with a polyline, and we will select the replace. It'll actually do a tin surface across those points and create a smooth terrain connecting those 6 vertices. There, it did it. And then what we'll do is go to Materials, Grass, and we want to use 9546 small. So we'll go find that in our list and drag and drop that on that polyline. And then that restores the yard here, and then a little more DTM work will create a perfect ditch surface, but that actually did a real good job. We just got a little patching to do there using similar options. Draw a polyline and either blend or replace, and we now have the relocated ditch going down the property line and then connecting over to what will be a culvert going under the road here.